Hello, let's discuss about error in repetitive manufacturing confirmation, MFBF. Problem. During confirmation in repetitive manufacturing process, errors may occur such as collective entry of actual data not carried out successfully for all items. Entry of actual data for material S1B2 3247 with version R001 faulty. RM887 error in MFBF. Changed REM profile regarding generation of post-processing records. In MD04 transaction, problematic dependent requirement element DEP-REQ may appear as NProc or show parent item reference as NProc. Root cause. Typically due to database inconsistencies or unresolved COGI entries. Transaction error handling for goods movements. Resolution steps. Check the transaction COGI for entries. Identify which components are stuck in the transaction COGI. Do not delete entries. Process them to clear inconsistencies. Use the report below to resolve inconsistencies for those specific items. Run correction report. Implement and execute ZINCON underscore REPROC from OSS Note 383141 RM887 RM757. Collective note inconsistent post-processing records. Run the report in transaction SC38 for all affected components. This clears inconsistent NProc records. Final check. Check transaction MD04 if NProc entries are gone and issue is resolved. Check transaction COGI if entries are gone and issue is resolved. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell button for more videos. For any queries, please contact radhakrishna@sap12@gmail.com. Thank you.